How to adjust video speed in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch a CapCut application first. You will see a page like this. In here, tap on the new project, choose any project that you would like to work on, then tap on Add. Now this being your project, let's go ahead and adjust the speed. Tap onto the video. As you do so, you will see speed at the bottom bar menu on your left-hand side. Simply tap onto speed and you will be given three options. You can either choose normal, curve, or velocity effects. Let's go ahead and start with normal first. Now normal being this, you can either increase or decrease the speed. If you choose the one that says 1.6 or more than 1, you are speeding the video. Let's go ahead and see how it works. Tap play, and it's going to work in high speed. If you tap onto curve, you can tap onto custom, tap edit, and you can speed the video according to the curve that you have chosen. Once you do so, simply tap on the check icon. Now tap onto velocity effects. As you do so, it will automatically choose your effects, and you can try this template here. And now, just like so, your video will be played according to the templates that you have chosen. Just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.